Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So I want to start off by saying this video is so unorthodox. I think that's the right word. May not be, I don't know. The products that I'm gonna show you, I've actually already done my hair with twice, but I did want to do an unboxing for you guys. Like, I've done an unboxing before with the Shea Moisture Vox Box from Influencer. I've unboxed that before, but this is like my first PR, I guess you could say. I don't know if you would classify this as PR. I do have some more big things coming. It's actually PR. I'm going to let y'all know about that later, but the company that sent me this is a company I worked with before. So first I'm gonna unbox it and then I'll get into like other details. So when you first open the box, you get this card right here, right? And you couldn't tell, this is Groveda hair solutions. And if y'all didn't know, I had worked with them before. I did a review actually over their matcha green tea and their hair serum. These two products right here, I reviewed both of these. I have it on my channel. I have it linked up above and down below. And fun fact about this company, they asked me to be a brand ambassador for them. So that is what you're getting. This is a part of me being an ambassador for them. I gotta do what I gotta do to, you know, be successful. So this is their Aloe Rose Hydra Moist collection. One, I like the small details, right? So when you open it and you saw the card, if you see that, now their colors of their products is pink and green, and this is literally pink and green. Like, it's just the small details that I like. Yeah, just very small details like that I like. But I'm gonna just start digging these products out. So when you first just kind of reach in, well, this is how it was when I literally opened it, by the way. I'm not just doing this for the video. The first product that you see is this organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask. Super excited to review this for you guys. Can't wait to do that. As I just said, although this is an unboxing, I have used all of this stuff. It's a little different than the last time, so just stay tuned for the review. The next product is the Aloe Rose, and this is a part of their new Aloe Rose collection. Aloe Rose Hair Milk Night Leave-In Conditioner, and this is actually how it did come. It came with the plastic on there. It was very secure. May not look as secure because I kind of threw it back together how it was in the box, but yeah, very secure. I really did like that. And the other one, the Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner, it was exactly like that, wrapped up really well. It was very secure. Like, I really did like the small details they put into the packaging. I don't know if all companies do that, but I really did like that they did it. So the next product that is in this box is the Aloe Rose Bentonite Clay Souffle Leave-In Conditioner. And then finally we have the Aloe Rose Curlastic Brûlée Moisturized Curls That Last. That's what the container say. And yeah, so that's pretty much what came. These two, this deep conditioner, and these two hair milks. But yeah, those are the 5 products that I received. Now the Aloe Rose collection do have, it has like a hair serum. I didn't receive that this month, but I will obviously receive it soon, and you'll be getting a review for that when I do get it. I did want to just get that. And again, I guess a disclaimer that I should have said at the beginning, this is me unboxing it for y'all, but I have opened all these products and used them. Another disclaimer is I was not asked to do this video. This video is what I wanted to do. I chose to do this video, so that's that. And yeah, so I will have links to their website, Facebook, and Instagram down below. And maybe 9 times out of 10 when this video is uploaded, the Aloe Rose collection will be out. So I will have my discount code in the description box. That is something, you know, special for the people who watch the whole video. I will have a discount code, so just click the description box and you will see that. Get some money off your order. Everybody loves to save money. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want. Just comment down below. Oh, and also comment, are you excited for, you know, these new products that's coming out with Groveda? And also are you excited to see the new content that I will be bringing you guys, being an ambassador for them now? Like, comment all that information down below. I want to know. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 200. We're getting closer and closer every single day. So just, you know, click the subscribe button and help your girl make that happen. And I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.